Hey, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you. How about you?
I'm good to where are you heading?
I'm going to Ice Cafe. What about you?
I'm going to the bookstore. I need to find a book.
Oh, cool. What kidding of
Book.
books do you like?
I like novel. How about you?
I better English literature books.
Oh, interesting. By the way, have you had lunch?
Not yes. I'm planning to eat at the cafe later.
But my be who can get together.
Sure, Justin. Let me know later.
Finish.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow.
Okay, bye.